Hi students, welcome you all to the class. In previous video we have discussed about transformation of sentences. There we have learned how to change the sentence from one kind to different kind. Yeah, we have seen some two sentences from declarative to exclamatory, from declarative to interrogative. So now we will see from imperative to interrogative. So in this video we shall study more about how to change the sentence imperative sentence to interrogative sentence. An imperative sentence can be changed into an interrogative sentence and vice versa. Yeah, it is possible that we can change the sentence from imperative to interrogative. For example, stop talking. This is imperative sentence. So we already learned kinds of sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence that express command, request and give advice. So here stop talking. This is imperative sentence. How we can change into interrogative? So for making interrogative sentence, first we have to add helping verb will, then we have to add you. So in above imperative sentence you is not there because here subject is implied, which means hidden. So when we are going to change into interrogative sentence we have to write you. So how we can change now? Will you stop talking? Will you stop talking? Like this we can make the sentence. At the end of the sentence we have to put question mark. And second example, please get me a glass of water. This is imperative sentence. So the same procedure, we have to write will and we have to write you. Now we can make the sentence. So we can write, will you get me a glass of water? So what is please is there, that goes in the end of the sentence. Will you get me a glass of water, comma, please? Then after we can put question mark. Like this we can change the sentence from imperative to interrogative. Now exercise A, B is there. If it is possible you can change, or else I can give when I finish this chapter. Now we shall go to next topic, from affirmative to negative. An affirmative sentence can be changed into a negative sentence with a changer in the meaning. Yeah, so here also possible that we can change the sentence from affirmative to negative, but little meaning can be changed. Affirmative means positive. Now we shall see the examples. My sister lives in Goa. This is affirmative sentence. It's like a positive sentence. And how we can change into negative? By adding not. Where we have to write after the verb we can make here. See, my sister does not live in Goa. Why here comes does? Because lives singular verb is there. For that we have to write does. After not we can write, because we are making negative sentence, not must be there. So my sister does not live in Goa. And second example, I have many friends. This is affirmative sentence and this can be changed into negative like this. I have no friends. So negative sentence, there will be not come and no come after the verb. And next point, look at here, an affirmative sentence can be changed into negative sentence without changing their meaning. Here you can see the table, one side affirmative is there and another side negative is there. Here using not plus prefix means before adding word. See one example, he is honest. This is affirmative. So negative, how we can change without changing meaning? How we can change like this, he is not dishonest, which means the same meaning only. So that he is a honest. So we can change the affirmative sentence without changing meaning in the prefix using not. One more example which tells she is comfortable. This is affirmative sentence. Now we can change into negative without changing that meaning. She is not uncomfortable. She is not uncomfortable, which means she is comfortable. So here we can write not before the comfortable. So when we write into negative, we can write like this: she is not uncomfortable. I hope you all are understand how to change the sentence without change the meaning. And next point, for words with suffix, prefixes and suffixes. Now we can see the example. It was thoughtless of you to say so. So how we can change it in negative? Same adding not. It was not thoughtful. So thoughtless is there, that change into thoughtful. So here this is suffix word full we have to write. Suffix means after a word we have to add. So instead of thoughtless we can write thoughtful of you to say so. Like this we can change into negative. And second example, she is clueless about how to do the work. Now we can change into negative. She has no clue. She has no clue about how to do the work. Like this we can change into negative. Now using not plus opposite words. Now we can use not in the sentence and opposite word also in negative. See, for example, he is a good boy. So what is the good for opposite word? Bad. So how we can change with the using not, like he is not. So not we have used here, is a not a bad boy, because good is there, good is opposite word bad. So he is not a bad boy. Like this we can change into negative. I hope that you all are understand, and tomorrow we will continue from where we have finished. Thank you. Your homework, you have to write this table in your grammar copy. Like this you have to put a table and you have to write. Thank you.